are getting rain. And look at that wonderful rain. It is so wet here. We've had almost 3 inches of rain in the last day and a half. Rain's great for the garden. It'll really help. As I've planted up where I took the potatoes out the other day, I planted cauliflower in the one, carrots in the other. I'm hoping to get some crops out of those. What it's not great for apparently is for the sunflowers. They've been knocked straight down in this. Yikes. Didn't even see that. But what I did see, my tomatoes are all cracking. So I'm going to come out and take the tomatoes off that are starting to ripen, because they're starting to crack. I don't know if you can see them back there cracking. So I'm going to get these taken off the plants and brought in, and they can finish ripening in there. Get the great color on these black Krim. Such pretty tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to take these all off and show you what I get out of it. And I've also had a squirrel in my garden, and I would suspect that's some of his handiwork. Ugh, gross. Check out these sweet little pumpkins I'm getting on my vine. These are it was a baby mix Jack, I think it was called, mix. I think from Vessi Seeds. Sweet little guys. I think there's a few in there. So this is not a typical problem that I encounter here in Saskatchewan, Canada. We are usually so dry, we're begging for moisture. So I'm not really sure what the right protocol is. These weren't cracked yesterday, so I'm thinking I can still maybe save them. I don't know. And it looked like the black Krim were the only ones that really seemed to be affected. I took off the Manitoba and the Romas, and I took off these orange cherries. They don't look like cherry tomatoes, but those are cherry tomato. Just in case they just take longer to start cracking. And of course there's a zucchini there as well. But yeah, that's what's going on in my garden this week. Lots of moisture, which is great for the soil, but not great for the tomatoes. We'll see you next time. Bye.